Lean against the wall. Alright, from here, some of you can come here. Front and back, can you see? Yes or no, please? So you can come here, it's fine. Is it visible? Good afternoon and welcome to Malaysia's Rainforest Canopy. Here we have a show and enjoy the show, please.
Welcome to the Malaysia rainforest. For millennia, long before human arrival, this land was forest. Hundreds of thousands of animals and plants thrive in this lush space, playing a vital role in the global carbon and water cycles, making the Earth a habitable planet, and making Malaysia the 12th mega biodiverse country in the world. In 1992, when the world united to address the emerging ecological crises at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, or better known as the Rio Earth Summit, Malaysia boldly pledged to maintain at least 15% of its landmass as forest and tree cover, a visionary contribution to maintain vital green lungs for the world. Today, nearly 3 decades later, our forest cover stands at 55.3%. We have kept our promise. This is a bold contribution by a young nation to halt biodiversity loss and reverse global warming, the 2 biggest environmental challenges of humankind, while it pursues, like every other nation, a better life for its people. How did we realize this vision? We set aside some forests as totally protected areas, and we adopted sustainable logging practices. Sustainable forest management practices means less trees are felled within a plot in a 30-year rotational harvesting cycle. Logging is done in a careful manner to reduce damage on surrounding trees, vegetations, and rivers. Younger trees are left to grow as the forest regenerates. Decisions on harvesting quota are made collectively by the respective 13 state governments, which are aligned to the 5-year Malaysia Development Plan. Thanks to these far-sighted policies, Malaysia forests are healthy and able to perform life-sustaining ecological functions. Through plant photosynthesis, these forests absorb carbon from the atmosphere and protect the delicate balance of the fragile climate system. They will play an important role in enabling Malaysia to deliver on its climate actions under the Paris Agreement on climate change and sustain our socio-economic development for decades to come. And this mighty forest complex will remain a vital carbon sink for the shared future of mankind.
Thank you so much. Please proceed to the next canopy.
This way. You guys will stand over this way, please. You guys will stand over this way. This way, you guys will stand over there. So from this panel, you can change the colors as well the modes. You can change the intensity of the lights as well as speed. And other 2 panels, it shows about the command intensity. You get all those information by 2 other panels, and you can take a bit of a selfie as well. So go ahead. Come on guys, throw away.
Attempted by SDI.
In all honesty, you can stand. You can stand over here. Welcome to Petronas, a massive showcase. This review and this canopy is brought to you by Petronas. Petronas is the oil and gas company of Malaysia. So it will be a show for you to let you know about Malaysia.
This story began with a dream. To take on an industry and create a defining presence in the world. Right from the start, the path was not easy, but we journeyed on, working in relevance and expertise. While we steadily grew, we asked ourselves, could we have done more? As the world produced more energy, it became a concern for nature and for us. We realized that a solution was urgently needed. We started to connect the dots, and soon the path became clear. As a progressive energy and solutions partner, enriching lives for a sustainable future, we generate and multiply benefits and beneficiaries. Uphold equitable and ethical treatments, and measure our impacts. Creating an agile and empowered ecosystem that thrives against all odds. We manage emissions responsibly and advancing technologies to champion gas, the cleanest fossil fuel, with innovative means to deliver LNG to our customers. We step up our focus on renewable energy by creating a one-stop center for cleaner energy solutions. While championing the new plastics economy by creating a circular economy where plastic does not end up as waste or pollution, helping businesses progress and create a sustainable future for societies and the planet. By forging positive alliances with the communities where we operate, we support and contribute to people's well-being and set the fertile ground to nurture future leaders. Doing the right thing, the right way, matters to us in upholding strong governance mechanisms and ethical business practices. Our innovations are made with advanced technologies, pervasive digitalization, and people who are passionate about progress. We do things differently and inspire people around us to innovate together in fulfilling present and future needs. We remain committed to achieve our net zero carbon emissions aspiration by 2050 and continue in the search for solutions beyond today in order to deliver energy responsibly. And with it, we have found the potential in the energy of tomorrow to create a more sustainable future for all.
ஓடிக்கிற லைன் வழியால் நடந்து போகணுமா.